Hello, Rowan. This is Ann April. I found a book just for you, and I think Quentin might like it as well. This one's called Motorcycles, Mighty Machines. A motorcycle is a motor vehicle with two wheels. A motorcycle gets power from an engine. The engine is under the gas tank. And they're showing you right here. This arrow shows you where the engine is. Motorcycles have handlebars. Drivers use the handlebars to balance and steer. So these are the handlebars on the motorcycle. A driver turns a handlebar grip to speed up and slow down. So right where his hand is, they're showing you where the motorcycle grip is. This motorcycle has a sidecar. It carries a rider. So right here would be where the driver sits. Remember, this is the handlebars right here. This area would be the grips. And over here is the sidecar where they can carry a passenger. This motorcycle has a fairing. It protects the riders from the wind. So the fairing is very much like the windshield that's in a car. It helps to keep the wind down from the driver and the passenger on a motorcycle. A scooter is a small motorcycle. It works well in cities. A touring bike is a big motorcycle. It is used to take long trips. A sport bike is a motorcycle built to race. Watch its speed to the finish. And that is the end of our story. I hope you liked it. Rowan, I know your Pop has a motorcycle, and so does Quentin's. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this story. And, ooh, look, there's other books. So maybe in April we'll try to find another one for you. All right, love you.